Hello everyone, I am Prashant Mahajan from All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Department of Electrical Engineering. In this video, I will be discussing basics of LCD display. Now, LCD displays are used for displaying alphanumeric values, and there are standard LCDs which are available in matrix size, which are 20 by 4, 32 by 4, and the commonly used 16 by 2 LCD. The 16 represents the total number of characters per line, and there are two such lines. So, in a 16 by 2 LCD, 32 characters can be displayed. Now, each character in an LCD will have an address. So, the address of first character in the first line is ATH, and the address of second line first character is C0H. Now, the characters which are displayed in an LCD are in a 5 by 7 matrix. So there are 5 rows and 7 columns which are used for displaying a character. So this is a typical layout of an 16 by 2 or 16 by 2 LCD. The first pin is a ground pin. Uh, the second pin is a VCC. It works on a 5-volt DC supply. Then VE is the contrast control pin. So you can vary the voltage given at VE to adjust the contrast of the characters. RS pin is register select pin. We'll see the detail of this pin in the next slide. RW is the read write pin. Then you have an enable pin followed by 8 bits of uh, data bus or data lines which are there for an LCD. And the last two pins, LED plus, LED minus, are for backlit display. So if you give 5 volt supply to these lines, then you can have a backlit display. So we'll go in, we'll see what are the functions of each pins, starting with RS. So in an LCD, there are two registers. One is the instruction register or command register, and second is the data register. Command register is used to send the commands to LCD, and data register is used to send the data that you want to display on the LCD. So RS is register select. So if it is equal to 0, the command register is selected, and if it is equal to 1, the data register is selected. We'll come to what is a busy flag and address counter. Uh, so if you are reading a data from the LCD, it will give the status of uh, itself, whether it is busy or not, on a busy flag, and it will also give the address, the value of address counter if you are reading the data. R slash W is a read write pin. So if it is equal to 1, you can read the data from LCD, and if it is equal to 0, you can write the data to LCD. Then enable pin is used for both reading and writing. So for writing data, you should give a high to low transition on this pin, and for reading data from LCD, you need to give a low to high transition. So if you have given some data on the data bus, and You have set RS and RW appropriately. You need to give a pulse on enable pin. DB0 to DB7, it's a these are the data lines which are used for sending the ASCII value of character that you want to display on LCD. And these lines are also used for reading data from the LCD. Um, the DB7 bit will provide the status of a busy flag. Now, busy flag is a status which will indicate whether LCD is busy with some work or not. And the lines DB0 to DB6, you can get the value of address counter. So this is a brief description of the LCD. Now, uh, there are few commands which are there on in LCD. So, if you want to give a command on to the LCD, you have to make a register select RS equal to 0. Then you have to make RW equal to 0. So you'll be writing a command on the data bus. So whatever command you give on the data bus will be copied to the command register. If you want to give some data then to the LCD, you have to make RS equal to 1. Then and RW should be equal to 0. So in that case, whatever value you place it on the data bus will be treated as data and will get displayed on the LCD. For displaying a number on an LCD, you also have to give the address where you want to display the character. So this is it as far as the basics of LCD are concerned. Thank you.